Mother Nature, our first gift. Before man opened his eyes to the golden skies, God in his mighty love formed the earth with his hands. He shaped the mountains, whispered the winds, poured out rivers, and dressed the fields in endless green. He made a world so full, so rich, so alive. A masterpiece that needed eyes to wonder, hands to touch, hearts to love. Then he made us tenderly, thoughtfully, not to own earth, not to tear it apart, but to admire, to nourish, to live alongside it in joy. Yet today we forget what was first given in love. We take and take as if we are kings, as if we reign alone. Remember the words from Isaiah 49 verse 15. Can a mother forget a baby at her breast? Even if she could, God says, I will not forget you. So how can we forget the earth who nurses us like a mother? How can we turn away from the land that feeds us, the water that cleans us, the air that gives us breath? The lithosphere, strong bones of the earth, gives us soil to grow our food, metals to build our homes, stones to make our dreams. Yet we scar it with deep wounds, leaving it broken and barren. The atmosphere, the breath of the heavens, wrap us in air so light, so precious, unseen yet always needed. Yet we cloud it in smoke, poison its purity, and forget it gives us life. The hydrosphere, flowing veins of the world, rivers, oceans, rain, and snow, gift of purest blessings. Yet we dump our waste into its depth, turning blue into black. The biosphere, all living things that dances on earth, from tiny flowers to towering trees, from buzzing bees to rolling lions. They weave a net of life that catches us all. Yet we tear at it strand by strand and call it progress. Nature is not a servant, nor a slave beneath our feet. It is our mother, our first cradle, our true companion. It calls to us in every sunrise, every whispering tree, asking not for worship, but for care, respect, and love. Let us see the earth as we see our parents, with deep thanks, gentle hands, and hearts full of gratitude. Let us remember we are not rulers here. We are children blessed with the greatest gift. And it's time we live as we remember. Omwambo hati, efimanolo shinima ongenge shihepo. Let's not wait until all is gone for us to realize its importance. Let's embrace God's gift. Natukwatelepo eshituna.